My name is Matthew, and I am from the Orange County Science and Engineering Fair, and today we're going to be going over the project description. So, as you may have seen in the last video, you must have went over your initial project screening, which is some basic information about yourself. Well, right now we're going to be going over the project description. So the project description is 50 words minimum to max 200 words, and it must include the exact procedures of what you will be doing in your project. You also need to list out all the materials and equipment you're going to use, and you also need to list out any of the forms you will be using down below. So this includes hazardous activities, devices, equipment, and materials. So that you need to put all of that here because the scientific review committee will be reviewing your project, and it will determine if your project gets accepted into the Science and Engineering Fair. So make sure you be very precise with what you put in here because you need to list exactly everything you're going to be using, and you need to say how you're going to use it. So now I'm going to be going over 2 examples of what to do and what not to do in your project description. So here in the bad project description, we have our project is trying to figure out what the best possible way to wash your hands are and get the most benefit. We need to figure out the different techniques to use when washing your hands to get the cleanest hands possible in a normal amount of time. We will also test our hands with dirty or unsafe things from the science lab and wash it after touching it. As you can see in this bad project description, they say what they're going to be doing in their project, but they don't say how they're going to be doing it, what the exact procedures are, and they also don't list the form that they're going to be using, which from this it looks like they're going to be using the hazardous form. So you will need to include all of that kind of stuff in your project description. So here's an example of a good project description. My project will be conducting hand washing experiments to figure out what the best ways are to wash your hands. First of all, we will be testing if it is better to wet your hands first, then apply soap and scrub for 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 1.5 minutes. Or if it is better to not wet your hands first, then apply soap and scrub underwater for the same amounts of time. We will be filling out the hazardous certificate to go through the procedure because we will be dealing with a few hazardous materials such as chloride and sodium. So, as you can see in this good project description, they say exactly what the procedure is they will be using, and they also say what they're going to be doing. They say the certificate that they're going to be using and the exact hazardous materials that they will be using in their project. So, when you're filling out your project description, be like this and say exactly what you're going to be doing, exactly the procedure, what you're going to be using, if you're using any hazardous materials or live vertebrate animals, things like that, what certificates you're going to fill out. So make sure you be very precise with what you're saying. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye.